I bet you didn't know your car dashboard could look this cool. Apple's latest CarPlay update is here. Let's see what's new. Say hello to the all-new CarPlay, rolling out with iOS 26. First up, the look. Apple's debuting LiquidGlass, a stunning new design that makes your dashboard feel futuristic and fresh. Plus, automatic dark and light mode means your display adapts on the fly, no more squinting at your screen. Customization just got easier. You can now pin widgets and apps right to your CarPlay home screen, so your favorites are always one tap away. Apple Maps is smarter too, suggesting routes and traffic updates even if you haven't started navigation yet. Communication's safer than ever. Important messages can be pinned, and you can send quick emoji tapbacks without getting distracted. Incoming calls? They pop up small, so your maps stay front and center. And here's the best part. It's a free update for iPhone 11 and newer coming this fall. Fresh design, more widgets, smarter maps, safer messages. CarPlay with iOS 26. Your drive just leveled up.